Welcome back. This is Faysal from TechForBlog. In this video, I will show you how to use Skype on PC or laptop. You can use Skype on PC or laptop by 3 different ways. 1 web-based application, 2 by a software, 3 by using a emulator. Step by step, I will cover all ways. Just stay tuned with me. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. First of all, you need to open a browser and search for Skype web. Go to first website on search result. Click Chat Now. Then log in your Skype account or create a new one. After login, now you can send message to your friends or family. Hope you think I don't like web-based application, then how can I use Skype as a software? Well, don't worry. Skype is also available as software. Search for Skype in Google. Go to skype.com. Click download button. There are different versions for different operating systems. You can download the version according to the operating system you use. I am using Windows desktop, so click on desktop button. Then click Get Skype on Windows 10 or 11. If you are okay by using Microsoft Store to download Skype, then click Open Microsoft Store. Else, click Cancel. After clicking Cancel, downloading will be start automatically. After complete downloading, just click to it or open it. Then click yes. Then click install. Then wait few seconds until installing process complete. After complete installing, open Skype, log in your Skype account or create a new account. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like and share button, or if you have any query, please put a comment. Thank you.